Hey guys, ever get stuck trying to write an Instagram caption? Same. Today I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to quickly create fun, catchy captions for any post. Let's get started. First, decide what vibe you want, cute, funny, emotional, whatever. Then tell ChatGPT, write 10 short captions for a sunset photo. It'll give you options right away. Want something deeper? Make them more emotional. Next, tweak the tone. Try. Rewrite these to sound casual and friendly. For poetic vibes, make these romantic and aesthetic. Business? Write captions promoting a new product with a call to action. You can even ask ChatGPT to add emojis to make them pop. To boost reach, ask, give me 10 hashtags for a travel photo, or create 3 caption variations. Funny, inspirational, minimal. This gives you options you can save and reuse later. And that's how to write Instagram captions fast using ChatGPT. Try different prompts, experiment, and have fun. Like this video and subscribe for more quick tips.